Drips all down the door. Running in and out of stuff. This one is a little bit of grease from greasing the door all winter. It got stuck once, so we greased it, and recently we greased it, so just wash the whole door. Even the screens need to wipe down. See drip marks. While I'm waiting for corn dogs, I guess I'll put my boots on and run out there. See what Eric's pounding on.
Peeping on my gas tank?
I'm peeping.
You got a peepee. I'll be a peepee.
So Eric ended up having to take off his rotor the other day and grind it down flat, and he said it's never been quieter, so it's driving fine again. And right now we've had an issue since winter where we were smelling gas after we drove it.
They smell bad.
And
then lines rotted off. Right here. Where those popped right off, that's what that's supposed to be.
so these lines right here just kind of were rotted off and leaking.
Yep. This little witness mark up here is where the gas was pooling. And then it finally started leaking enough that it ran down the side instead of evaporating. For a while it was just leaking a little, so it just stunk. But I couldn't tell where it was coming from because everything was dry.
Yep.
But these fittings are all garbage, so I've got to try and I'm gonna learn something new. I'm gonna heat them up and change the ends, I guess. But I figured I'd plug the big open hole full of gasoline before I used a heat gun or a torch or anything around here.
At least 53rd.
Sounds like a good idea to me.
Because
Get your lines all taped off.
This is all that's keeping the Suburban down. So
Yep.
as soon as
And this
goes
is
back
the
in,
what year? 08?
Oh wait.
2008 Suburban.
And I got an oil change sitting for it, so I'll change oil as soon as I get this running again.
She'll look a lot fancier when you take these off.
Oh, I'll be peeling them.
Yeah, she'll look a lot better. Other side, the back looks a lot better. Yeah, I really like that. That looks nice. So we'll take that off and just, what is it, alcohol can take off the sticky stuff.
What did you just do?
Peeled it off. I got my
So
little
it's just
eraser wheel.
It's just a foam
It's
tape.
double-sided tape.
Yeah,
That's all it is.
just double-sided foam tape.
Ding!
Ding. Corn dogs are done. And there you have it. There's that.
Well, you said a couple times now you thought it'd look a lot better with it off, so I'll
I do.
just take it off and I'll clean that up. I've got my little magic eraser wheel somewhere.
Yep. It's just a piece of plastic with some foam tape on it. Yeah, it'll look a lot smoother without them. Oh yeah, sexy beast already.
There you go.
Much better.
Clean it all up.
Yep, sharp.
Don't cut yourself.
Alright, well, you have fun with that. I'll hand you a corn dog over the fence.
Give it to me.
Okay. Ooh, let's check the mushrooms real quick. Look at this mushroom activity, y'all. pink oyster mushrooms we put in straw and wood chips about going on 2 to 3 weeks now. Just a poppin', man. I had to take a huge bowl of them out of here yesterday already. And here we have the pink oyster mushrooms on a pizza with a black bean burger patty, some black olives. There's some vegan follow your heart cheese slices on the bottom there, and I just sprinkled spices on it. No sauce. Delish. Some onions. I still have a few oysters, pink oysters here.
Oh, I gotta trim
for the cutting. I'll show you my container here. I just have these pink oyster mushrooms in the container with very small layers and a piece of paper towel between them to collect any extra moisture. It's kind of steamy in there and you don't want them getting mushy. I mean, those are good sized shelves there. Those are handfuls. They're so pretty. And you can tell they like the sun. The darker colors over here get a little bit more sun. And then when they're done, they're losing color. And there's some tan brown there. These didn't get a whole lot of sun. And they're already turning white, and these ones I wouldn't pick. Even though, look, this one looks so fresh. They're just not pink over here. They were really light anyway.
I gotta repair the lines.
Look at that. That is just awesome.
You see my heat gun?
Yeah, that's a good cluster right there.
I suppose I can use a torch, but
Ooh, there's a beautiful, huge
I don't
one
know
right
if I'm
there.
feeling that good.
I could probably get you like that handheld sewing machine one that we got for free, that little one. I'll go look on the shelf first. Okay.
Yeah, because I don't need anything huge. I just need a little heat gun.
Oh, look at this cool spider web. It's like in a round shape.
Like an orb weaver?
An orb weaver?
It's round.
Maybe. For sale by owner. We just sold a lot. We got one more left.
Supposedly I can heat that one up and pull it out of the plastic and push another one.
Alright, let's do our daily check of the babies. They're getting bigger. Aww, aren't they precious? They're kind of ugly, but they're cute. Mama must be out getting food. We will probably have red wine caps in this bed first before the other one. Here we go. We got okra flowers coming in. 1, 2, and like 3, 4, 5 up here. Ugh, my thumb is cut from using a fillet knife. Here's another guy right here. Looking good. And that big one there.
Little baby beetles. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff under it.
One in there.
That one in there?
That giant one in there.
Yeah, I'm trying to get there. I'm trying.
Ow, ow. Gloves in your hand.
Trying not to step on all the mushrooms.
Oh, mama. Yeah, thank you. Oh, yes.
Have to harvest some of these soon too.
Yep. So I was saying to the folks, you
They're all
ground
washed
down your
out.
rotor, right? And it made it better? It had a squeak the whole time? Ooh, thunder.
What happened is where the pad touches the caliper on the ends, it rotted so bad in the backer that it stuck. So when I applied the brakes, they stayed applied. They drug. And I took a whole bunch of rot off the end until they were shiny, put it all back together, and now it doesn't make any noise and it's just fine.
Okay, but since you bought it, it had been squeaking.
Yeah, I'm gonna probably do it again before winter.
This
So
back
I think these washed out
left
white
wheel.
ones, I don't know what happened to them. I don't know if they're just...
they didn't get enough sun, I was thinking.
Because those are
They're so
past.
pale.
Those are...
Well, and they were pale the whole time too, though. Look at this giant pink one over here, though. So we got snap peas coming in real good. Okay. So that's where we're at. Snapping sugar snap peas and collecting zucchinis and oyster mushrooms, and we found a puffball mushroom today. So it's been a nice rainy day harvest. It's overcast. We've been getting really good rain this season in Michigan, so very thankful.
After the drought, we got rain. It was beautiful.
All right, say goodbye to the folks.
Bye, folks.
See ya.
Seen ya.
Hit my red button, would ya?
Oh.